Hello everybody. This is a tutorial basically to guide you as to how you need to do your registration on the MSME Sampark portal. So first of all, what you need to do is type MSME Sampark in Google. If you do that, this is what you will get. Okay, click on the link to the Sampark page and the home page will open up. Okay, in the home page, as you can see, there are three options at the top right of the page: recruiter, job seeker and app download. You all need to go to job seeker, just hover your cursor over it and you will see four options. The first being registration. Click on it. Okay, once you do that, this page will open up. You need to enter your first name, middle name, last name, your email ID correctly, make sure there is no syntax error, then your contact number, that will be a mobile number, your date of birth, gender, category, whether you fall in the general category, OBC, SC or ST. If you belong to any other category than these four that are mentioned, you will select other, obviously. Then whether you are physically challenged or not. In institute, okay, then you will select IDEMI or Institute for Design of Electrical Measuring Instruments. As you know, this is a job portal exclusively for MSME students. Okay, that is for those students who have done or are pursuing some course from an MSME Technology Center. Okay, the list of institutes you see over here in the drop down menu are basically all the TCs that come under the MSME ministry, each of them conducting skill development training programs just like IDEMI. So you will select IDEMI over here. In qualification, you will select what qualification you have completed. Okay, अगर आपका 10th complete हुआ तो you will select HSC 10th, ITI. If you are pursuing some course, you will select pursuing, ITI pursuing, diploma pursuing, whatever, graduation tech or non-tech, okay, post-graduation, PhD, whatever it is, select the appropriate option. Then you need to select the course that you are either doing or completed from IDEMI. Okay, for example, advanced certificate course in CAD. Okay, if you are doing that course, you select that. You need to select when you will be completing that course. Okay, in which academic year, 21-22, 22-23 or whatever. Then you enter the security code over here as it is and tick this checkbox and click on register. Okay, once you do that, what happens is all your details that you've entered on the registration page will come to us and we will do a background check, okay, because we need to confirm that you are a genuine IDEMI student. As I mentioned earlier, this portal is only for MSME students. Outsiders cannot register. So once I receive your details, we will be checking and once we confirm that you are an IDEMI student, we will approve your registration. Just in case there is any error in the registration, then your registration will be rejected and then you will have to register again. Okay, so once the registration is approved, okay, what will happen is you will get an email on the email ID that you have entered in the registration form containing your login ID and password. You take that, come back to the site, again go to the job seeker option and this time click on login. Okay, once you click on login, this page will open up. Enter the username that has come in the email. There will be a system generated password that you need to enter, then the captcha and click on login. That's it, you're good to go. Okay, once you logged in, your CV is created by default, but it will have only basic details. So you can update it, you can upload your photograph, you enter any details regarding whatever projects you could have done, your additional qualification, etc., etc. See that your profile is updated, because once your profile is created and there on the portal, companies can actually, when they do a search for candidates, they can see your profile and they could get in touch with you. Therefore, it is advisable that you keep your profile updated. Okay. Now, once you've logged in, you need to, if you go to the home page, let's say, you will see 2,100 recruiters over here. They're active. Here is the list of all the companies. When you're logged in, you'll see an email ID and a mobile number next to the name of each company. So any relevant company is there, you select, you think it's from your field applicable, you can do a search for the company on the internet, find out details about it, because these companies are going to be pan-India, okay, not necessarily only based in Mumbai. So they will be pan-India companies. You can just do a search. If you think it is relevant to your field, you can send them an email, you can call them up on the number mentioned and contact them directly. Okay, so that's about it. And of course there are companies who advertise like this, as you see the ads are there. You can respond directly to these ads by clicking on the apply option. Okay, just one more thing is, if you have any problem, if you face any issue, technical issue, login nahi ho raha hai, password nahi le raha hai, page nahi khul raha hai, whatever, any technical issue while logging into your account, as you can see on the bottom right over here, leave a message. Okay, you can enter your name, email ID and send a message, and this goes directly to the national MSME Sampark team located at Bhubaneswar. Okay, they will be generally online only during office hours on working days. So you send a message there with whatever issue you have, and they will try to solve it to the best of their ability. Also, if you go to the contact option, there is an email ID here and there is a toll-free number. You can either call up on the number or send an email ID with whatever issues you've got, and they will try to solve it. So that's about it. I hope this clarifies the entire procedure as to how you need to go about your registration on the Sampark portal. Okay, thank you so much for watching.